All right, this one, you have a couple braces on a house after a storm. The smaller